Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the In.It Apparel channel. Today we're diving into how you can master your designs for dropshipping and print-on-demand services. Plus, we'll be introducing you to direct-to-film or DTF printing, another fantastic method that we offer. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, we've got the tips you need to make the most out of your creativity. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what dropshipping and print-on-demand means for you. At In.It Apparel, we handle everything from printing your designs on high-quality garments to shipping them directly to your customers. This means no inventory, no upfront costs, no hassle for you. Our print-on-demand service uses cutting-edge DTG or direct-to-garment technology to bring your designs to life. DTG printing is perfect for detailed graphics, photographs, and designs with lots of colors. The printer uses specialized water-based inks that are absorbed by the fibers of the garment, resulting in vibrant, durable prints. To make the most out of our print-on-demand service, you need to prepare your designs correctly. Here are a few essential tips. First, always use high-resolution images. The higher resolution, the better your print will look. You should aim for at least 300 dpi or dots per inch. Second, consider the color of your garment. Darker garments require a white underbase to make the colors pop, which can affect the feel of the print slightly. Lighter garments don't usually need this, resulting in a softer print. Lastly, always preview your design. Use markups to see how your artwork will look on the actual garment. This can help you spot any issues before you print. Now let's talk about direct-to-film or DTF printing. This is a fantastic option for designs with intricate details and vibrant colors. DTF printing involves printing your design onto a special film and then transferring it to your garment using heat. As you can see, DTF printing allows for even more flexibility in your designs. The prints are highly durable with excellent washability and soft hand feel. This method is ideal for those who want to explore more design options to ensure high quality prints. Now that you know how to prepare your designs, let's talk about submitting your artwork to our dropshipping service. The process is straightforward and ensures your designs are print ready. All you have to do is email your artwork and markups to online@initapparel.co.za directly. Or you can use cloud services like Dropbox, Google Drive, or WeTransfer to send your submissions. If you're submitting multiple designs, label your files clearly to avoid any confusion. When labeling your artwork and markups, make sure they are named the same or named after the artwork to ensure consistency and easy identification. And if you have any special instructions, don't hesitate to include them in the email. Preparing your design files correctly is critical for both DTG and DTF printing. Design at a high resolution to ensure your printed products look as crisp as they do on your screen. Save your designs as PNG with a transparent background to avoid any unwanted blocks of color in your final print. Think about scale. How will your designs look on different sizes of apparel? A design that looks great on a small tee may not translate well to an extra large. Creating markups is a great way to visualize your designs on different garments. Use tools like Placeit, link below, to create markups and sales images. Submit your markups under 1 megabyte to ensure quick processing. Also, if you want to see some samples before committing, you can order samples directly from In.It Express. There's also a link below for that. This way you can check out the quality and make any necessary adjustments. That's it for today's video. With these tips, you are well on your way to mastering your designs for our dropshipping and print-on-demand services. Remember, the key to a great print is in the details. So take your time, follow the guidelines, and your designs will look amazing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy designing.